In this video, I'm going to show you how to import a PowerPoint slide deck directly into your Prezi video app so that you can put your PowerPoint slides directly on screen with you. So I'm going to open up the Prezi video app here. And there we are. Hello again. Instead of adding my own content, I'm going to go ahead and click the import button right here. This will allow me to look for a PowerPoint file in a number of different places. If I click import, I can search my Google Drive for a PowerPoint. I can search OneDrive, Dropbox, a number of different places. I am going to add from computer. I already have the file somewhere on my computer. Add from computer, and now I can search for my PowerPoint. I've got one here. I named it Google Slides. That's because I saved it from Google Slides, but it is now a PowerPoint file. I can hit open, and it will convert my PowerPoint into usable slides. It's going to look exactly like the Google Slide video that I showed you before, but this time, instead of importing from Google Slides, we imported the PowerPoint file directly. What it's doing right now is it is converting each of my slides into usable photos. So basically every single slide will be imported and flattened as an image. That means if you do want to incorporate some moving elements, you may want to use Prezi Present as your platform, or you can also switch to a screen share and reveal a video if you'd like, or even show your PowerPoint here inside the screen share option. But for now, let's go ahead and just import our PowerPoint slide. So I'm going to give that a second to finish loading. There we are. I can select just a few if I want and hit import selected, or I could import them all. I'm going to go ahead and just import them all. And there we are. My slides are now on screen. If I want to go ahead and add a new slide, I can always hit the plus button here and just say, thanks for coming. Or if I want an intro slide, I've already kind of got an intro slide. If I want to insert a thank you, I can. There it is. Or next week, chapter 4, right? Something like that. There we go. And if I want to switch my template, of course I can. This rainbow colored one doesn't really make a ton of sense for this content. So I'll go to choose template. Maybe I'll choose, it doesn't matter, one of these more science oriented ones, maybe one of these. There we go. Let's go back to our slides here and see how it looks. See how this is all going to come together. It's just going back to the beginning. There we are. These colors kind of work. The green here is part of the green here as well. Now I'm ready to record my video. If I wanted to, first I could save the file. That way I never have to import the PowerPoint again. I would be able to just open the Prezi video file that already has the PowerPoint imported. For now, I'm going to hit record, and let's record that video. So I'm going to hit the red button here, and we are now recording. So hello everybody, welcome to today's lesson on cell biology. And now I can just use my left and right arrows to present through my content here. If I want to zoom into my graphic at any point, of course I can. I can use my keyboard shortcuts to zoom into my graphic like this. Those keyboard shortcuts correspond to the buttons right here on screen. So if I want to come back out, I can. There we are. I can keep presenting through my content. Again, if I want to zoom into my graphic, let's click on that. There we are. Just like before in the other videos, if I wanted to add presenter notes, I could have. They would have been here available for me, and they would not be showing up in the recording. So I could give my sign off, say thanks for watching, and I'm done. Now I'm ready to trim off the beginning or the end of my video. So I'll trim to my hello here at the beginning, and then my goodbye at the end. Trim, and now I'm good to go. I'm good to save my video file. I can upload it to my Prezi account if I'd like, or I can download it locally and natively as an MP4. This is typically my preferred route. I usually actually do both, but definitely you want to make sure you save that full HD version right here. Keep original size. That'll give you the full HD 1080p version. So do both. Upload it to your account if you want to as well. Upload video, give it a title, give it a description, some tags. It does integrate with Google Classroom, so it's very easy to send it in as course material or as an assignment if it's already on your cloud. So you might choose to do both depending on how you plan on using it. So that's how easy it is to import your PowerPoint directly into the Prezi video app. If this has been interesting, I highly recommend continuing on to the Using Prezi Present for Prezi Video module. You'll learn how to create a lot more advanced video content, and I think you'll all really enjoy it. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you over there in the next module.